welcome to Mr. Beast's news channel.
Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to Gadget Trend. Today we're reviewing the Marshall Emberton II, a portable speaker that promises 360-degree sound.
What is this? Can I want to buy this? Oh, Mr. Beast. Watch my video to end and decision.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Emberton I definitely delivers. The speaker comes in a sleek and sturdy box, complete with a carrying strap and a USB-C charging cable. The design is classic Marshall with a durable and water-resistant exterior that can withstand rough handling now. Let's talk sound quality. The Emberton I uses true stereophonic technology to deliver 360-degree sound, and I gotta say it's impressive. The sound is clear, balanced and immersive with deep bass and crisp highs. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts or audiobooks, the speaker delivers. The Emberton II has some great features, including a multi-directional control knob, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and a rechargeable battery that lasts over 20 hours on a single charge. That's all day listening, folks. So is the Marshall Emberton I worth it? Absolutely. With its great sound quality, durable design, and long battery life, this speaker is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and portable audio companion. Thanks for watching it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. That's it for today's review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.